shit.
Okay, welcome to Mantry. We are doing the quickest sausage soup ever. Kale, a little chorizo. We're gonna throw some, what are we throwing in? Farro. Farro's going in there. 25 minutes, little brothy, healthy, soupy thing. Good time. Chorizo, very simple, just slice it up. You can legit use any sausage under the sun, bratwurst, spicy Italian. You can use Slim Jims, a little olive oil. Sear the sausage nice and well and get a big dark color, because we're not going to use chicken stock, we're not going to use beef stock. We're basically just going to use whatever flavor this chorizo gives us. Okay, a couple cuts of onions. I'm just going to leave these like basically quartered, leave them chunky. They're kind of going to give like a bit more texture to the soup rather than just chopping them up all fine and diced. There's going to be some sort of drippings on the bottom of the pan. I'm just going to deglaze with a tiny little bit of coffee of all things. You can use anything you want. Coffee just sort of going to give it like a richer flavor, kind of give it a quicker depth to the stock you're making. You can use booze, gin, wine, doesn't matter. In with water. Just fill up the pot like about halfway. I'll just fill this thing up a couple times and fire it in. So let's talk farro. That's what we're going to throw in the soup. It takes about 40 minutes. So by the time this is all like bubbled together and tasty, this shit'll be cooked. It's an awesome grain from Italy originally, Roman area. Really hearty, healthy. You can use spelt, you can use barley, depending on the cooking time. So I'm going farro. Shout out to Bob's Red Mill. I fucking love Bob's Red Mill. I don't know what it is. I just love the whole guy. I met Bob. He looked exactly like this dude on the label. Absolutely the same. At that moment, I was sold. One key tip with a farro, you can totally add too much and it literally soaks all of your soup liquid and you'll end up with a dry soup. Total disaster, so just always add like half the amount you think you're even gonna need because it's such high risk, low reward for adding more. I'm throwing a little Yellowbird hot sauce. People always think to put hot sauce in at the end. It's actually better during cooking because it mellows the flavors. It gives it kind of like a nice warming spice through the mouth as opposed to just like feeling like it's layered on top. All right, let's talk leafy greens. So we're gonna throw in Swiss chard, found that, and a little kale. You can add whatever leafy green you want. It's just gonna add a little healthiness to it, a little hardiness. Just transform it into a big old warming, comforting bowl of goodness. Okay, looking pretty good here. See, it's like not too soupy, but there's some broth in there, and you got all the greens and the hardiness. Okay, we're gonna finish with a little manchego. You can use any sheep's milk cheese, Parmesan, whatever. It's just gonna give a little bit of oomph. Little olive oil. And finally, a little cracked pepper over the top. And that is a super easy weeknight dinner.